Hey, this is Niels from GMC Mini Truck. Thanks for tuning back in, and if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. This episode I'm not gonna spend any time on my Sonoma. This one, it's still in hibernation, although it's the middle of the summer. Although it's not really warm, no short sleeves, there's no sun, so typical Dutch summer. That aside, I got my daily. It's a Renault Megane, and from the factory it comes with a one-note horn, so just one horn. And I was really happy with that, so I'm gonna exchange it and change it into a two-horn setup, so two-tone. I did some research and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna utilize the two-tone setup from a Volvo, but I couldn't really source those new. Or I could, but they were very expensive. Second hand, they were rutted out, so I just opted for these. Yeah, it is quite rainy, so we just have to do with that. But let's open this thing up. The release thing is under here. The horn is hiding under here. There it is. It's just a single tone, as I just said, and there is enough room for a double one. So I think what now needs to happen is undo this Torx, these four. Okay, I don't necessarily have to take everything off, because just by lifting this I already have ample room to gain access to the horn. And as I already can see, the extra bracket is going to be very easy to fix. Yeah, unfortunately the camera didn't really want to cooperate, so as you have seen, it's a bit of a choppy video, but in the end they are in. I custom fabricated a little bracket out of aluminum stock to space the two horns next to each other. So this is the old one. So this is a single tone, and according to the print here it's the high tone. So makes me wonder, there's obviously also a low tone, no idea. But yeah, so it was quite easy to take this one out. So just one bolt and it's in. So probably you're also wondering how it sounds. Here it comes. Yeah, rather happy with the outcome. It's just a horn, it's not that important, but it does sound better, and that's a win in my book. So if you want to do this also, you know what to do. Just get two Fiamm horns or whatever, just a low and a high tone, wedge them in, get the conversion cable, because that makes wiring up everything a lot easier. Here is a link in the description below, the one I bought. And yeah, that's it. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye, and toodaloo.